Okay, so let's move on. FusionHub, this is our virtual device. So what is FusionHub? FusionHub is our virtual appliance. You're able to deploy this solution here with Voltaire on Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or VMware. Unofficially, I have heard and seen our partners deploy this in VirtualBox. I'm just throwing it out there for the technical people who want to play around. So FusionHub is our virtual speed fusion appliance. It allows you to create an endpoint for the hardware devices to connect to. This is very important to remember because this will carry you and help you win a lot of business. And I'll explain in a shortly. With FusionHub, you can establish speed fusion connection between cloud servers and physical devices. Remember, speed fusion is a point-to-point system. You must have at minimum 2 types of devices to enable the bonding, the WAN smoothing, the VPN, and the hot failover. So if you have a customer that wants to buy one device, and they don't want to set up a cloud solution, you can launch FusionHub for them. And then they will connect to it and they will get all the benefits from Peplink Speed Fusion. They can bond all their WANs, they will create a VPN up until that endpoint, and they can enjoy WAN smoothing and hot failover. Their WAN will never break. So we do have different sizes. When I say sizes, that's the number of peers or devices it can be connected. We sell it in 10s, 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands. So that depends on the size of the organization that you're setting up the solution for. We do have a free demo version that you can play with. It deploys easily globally. You just download it to any hosting platform, or you can download it to a laptop and bring it with you. And it has a built-in UI just like IC2, so you can manage and set up the virtual device as a hardware device with local GUI. Oh, by the way, yes, you can access it with IC2 as well. Oh, so I want to emphasize this. We do have a free version. That's right, from Peplink, we give you, with every single device that you buy, a single peer limited. It is peer limited. It will only connect to one piece of hardware. FusionHub Solo. It is free. It has the same functionality as FusionHub for Enterprise. You throw up on a data center and you create your own private bonding point. There is no excuse for you to not enable a bonded solution to your customer at the same cost as a competitive solution with no bonding. Okay, it is just crazy for you to do that. Unlimited throughput. You pay whatever data usage from that data center, and you pay whatever hosting charges. That's it. It is free for life. Now, what if you want to do more? What if you're a type of partner who wants to, you have this idea, what if I buy my own FusionHub? I won't ask my end user to buy it. I will buy it, and then I want them to connect to my FusionHub, and I will sell it as a service. Great idea. Completely agree with you, and we do have the solution. We call that Speed Fusion Alliance. This is our MSP grade FusionHub. So previously in FusionHub, those were bought for appliances, paid up front. The ownership goes back to your end user. What if you want to provide a subscription service or a monthly or annual service to your customer, and so that you can maintain and manage it, and they just buy the end devices for their branches? Yes, you can. FusionHub MSP is available for select partners who wants to host their own service and sell it. You don't buy this by the number of peers. You buy this. You don't buy FusionHub. You're basically renting it on a peer basis. You can buy peers or add peers to your FusionHub down to the ones. You can literally add one peer at a time based on your needs. You can also create multi-tenant FusionHub. That means you can have one FusionHub and have multiple organizations under it. Or what we recommend for security, you create multiple FusionHubs. But you can carry over the peers. So let's say you have two companies that you're servicing. One has 100 users, and one has 100 peers, and one has 1,000 peers. And one of them wants to buy one peer. Yes, you can. You can buy a single peer and apply it to either organization. With normal FusionHub, you have to buy in blocks, whether that's 10s, 20s, 50s, or 100s, whatever. With MSP Edition, you can buy in the ones. The only requirement is that you have to enroll in the SpeedFusion Alliance. There is an annual membership fee, but it includes 10 peers. Basically, you're buying 10 peers up front, and you must certify an engineer to deploy it because you need to be trained. But there's more. By being a SpeedFusion Alliance member, so before we jump into the hardware, I want to talk about the business aspect just quickly. You will have the ability to buy special devices that you match up to that FusionHub. So I just want to show it. You're basically taking traditional devices that do not have bonding. So we do have some solutions that are a little bit more basic that do not have bonding, but they do have hot failover. But we will enable bonding on those. That is a low-cost device subscription solution that you can offer to your customers. So how does it compare? So right here, these are existing items, and the X's are relative costs. So this is 1 times the cost, 2 times the cost, 4.5 times based on feature set. These have bonding and multiple WANs and cost. If you're a SpeedFusion Alliance member, we can enable a lower cost device to have similar specs. That's the benefit of being a SpeedFusion Alliance member. Okay, and we could talk about that further throughout the next 2 sessions. So we have FusionHub that you can buy. We have FusionHub Solo that's free. And we have FusionHub for MSPs or managed service providers or partners who want to offer a subscription service to their end users. So now let's jump into hardware devices to match up with FusionHub.